In this tutorial, we'll show you how to install the FraudLabs Pro fraud prevention plugin in your Shopware store to help protect your business from online fraud. Before we start, make sure you have a working Shopware store and a free API key from FraudLabs Pro. If you don't have one, just sign up for a free one at fraudlabspro.com/checkout-micro. First, head over to the FraudLabs Pro Shopware GitHub page at github.com/fraudlabspro/shopware. Click on Code, then choose Download Zip to download the FraudLabs Pro Shopware plugin. Now, log into your Shopware admin dashboard. Go to Extensions, My Extensions, and click Upload Extension. Click on Confirm for the warning dialog box. Then, locate the zip file you just downloaded and upload it. Find FraudLabs Pro plugin from the list and click on Install. Click on Configure to open the settings page. You will need to enter your FraudLabs Pro API key here. Let's go to your FraudLabs Pro Merchant dashboard to get the API key. Copy your API key and paste it into the API key field in Shopware. You can set the target order status according to the FraudLabs Pro validation status. For example, if FraudLabs Pro API validates an order as approved, you can choose to set the order status to complete. I will choose Open for review status and Cancelled for reject status. Once done, click Save to apply your settings. And that's it, your plugin is now active and ready to protect your store. In the next video, we'll show you how to place a test order and review the fraud report. Secure your store with FraudLabs Pro now.